History of the English Language and Literature Unit Now Old English Literature Introduction Objectives Old English Period Social Political Environment Introduction It is generally considered that literature and social reality are indivisible and complementary to each other. Every culture of them has a unique setup with diverse institutions and values functioning in reciprocation with a motive to accomplish and fulfill the desired ends. The nature of such institution and value is dynamic, and so every social system famous the rules of working and behaving, keeping in view the prevailing scenery and temporary demands. Literature turn tries to keep pace with such an alternating reality in order to culture manking and travel to prepares it for better living. This pas- aspect of literature helps man to many maintains a distinction and even surpass have from the rates of correction. The Greeks and the Romans laid the foundation of literature on solid footings by concentrating on the some constraints and challenges of existence in their classics. They have often survived as model and inspiration for succeeding writes. Their literature is regarded by several critics as trial universal. I reflects the sociological reality of se- section and the psychological my strength of my irrespective of time and space. That is why it is read and researched with the some passion. Even today, it is also used in some specific literally, literary period as a mm, thought, thought, thought stone to guest the standards of good and great literature. It is time te- tested and auth- authentically classic in is essence. English literature is a marvelous world. It is just like a fair, fair man, fair meant as state stately. It is con, consta- constellation and galaxies in intelligence the universe and diminish the dreadful darkness. So do the luminous artists with their literary works. They kindly the minds and mold the comprehensive approach of approach um, of mankind. The very rights of literature literature crazily crazily is illuminates the inner darkness of man. Creative literature aims human and help them to understand the no no nuances of life in a better and deeper way. Literature also assists man to bear the burden of life in a accepted and understood manner. Regardless of language, culture, and culture as a country, literature can be universal in nature and signification. All literature uh, under underlines the found fundamental values, mm, practice and practice and principle of human existence. Basically the needs of life everywhere in the world and are the some literature being the produce of the human mind and imagination conditioned by social cultural curriculums stems materialized the some from the prepositive of collective consciousness and global significance. Moreover, us literature and life and interrelated and interdependent intuitive. The former might be defined as the ide- ideally is the version of the letters. It is undoubtedly an artistic and established many facets of life represent skillful and beautifully. Therefore, the message of literary writing and its bearing on my and society in pa- paramount and also permanent objectives. The unit is written to accomplish and achieve the following objective: to familiarize you with the root and starting point of English literature, to identify the social and political secondary efficienting the literature of its times and place, to point out the various changes occurring in the domains of English literature in terms of language and content, to educate you about the peculiarities of the English culture and its growth over time, to develop the critical appreciation among readers for literature, to highlight the great and good literary works and trade writers having influence over the succeeding rights and their writing, to help you in the identification of English creativity and cultural literacy.